Mohawk Jewelers, timeless jewelry for generations.
Welcome to Climb and Shine with Rashmi Bedi. Our guest today is Prince of Traditional Garba, who is singer, actor, doctor, and performer. Here, welcome my guest, Dr. Parth Ojha.
शकीजा पास कलंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर अली दम दम बेअंदर दमादम मस्त कलंदर शकीजा पास कलंदर बाहों में आ सोनिए बस आज रात के लिए दूसरे को हम सोने ना दे तू मेरा हीरो ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ तू मेरा हीरो सूरज डूबा है यारो दो नशे के मारो हमसे भुला लो सारे संसार के सूरज डूबा है यारो दो नशे के मारो हमसे भुला लो सारे संसार के
Hi Parth, how are you?
I am absolutely fine, Rashmi ji. How are you?
I am good, Parth. What a performer! क्या बात है तो you are package of all in one, I should say. कोई भी field है जो आपने छोड़ी नहीं है. You are such a great inspiration for upcoming youth.
Thank you so much, Rashmi ji. Actually, very frankly, after watching this, I also became a little nostalgic because अभी ये सब करने को नहीं मिल रहा है. So suddenly I was into that zone.
Of
So
course,
thank you for
yeah.
reminding me that too.
No, no. It's great watching you on screen. You are just amazing. What a performance, like I should say. It was so nice. Full bang on with full energy. It's so nice. इतना मजा आ रहा था. It was really great
Thank
to
you.
watch you. So,
Thank you
पार्थ
so much.
कैसे शुरुआत हुई? आप तो डॉक्टर हैं और डॉक्टर से एक्टर, सिंगर, कोई फील्ड नहीं छोड़ी. गाने में भी आप तो गजल, सूफी, लाइक वाओ, क्या बात है.
Right, right. बस रश्मि जी एक्चुअली शुरुआत तो the way it happens because I was blessed enough to be born in a family which has music. So my father is a great renowned singer, composer of Gujarat, Shri Sanjay Oza. And my grandmother was, like she's still, but she was a singer and a compere at All India Radio in Gujarat. So
Fantastic.
I think genetically I was gifted by God, but then definitely once you are on this earth, you need to modify it. So सीखना तो बनता ही है.
बिल्कुल.
तो बचपन से ही एक्चुअली मैं सेकंड ग्रेड में था तब से आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक. और उसके साथ साथ लाइव शोज वगैरह एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट आई डिड अ लॉट. आई यूज्ड टू सिंग एज अ चाइल्ड आर्टिस्ट इन ऑल दिस रीजनल फिल्म्स एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स एंड एल्बम्स एंड ऑल. और वहीं से सफर तो शुरू हो गया था. पर बीच में देन ऑफ कोर्स आई हैड a little pause when my studies were on. So uske baad then I restarted again and then the journey is still on.
Fantastic. So you never used to be nervous on stage?
No, I in fact I am still nervous on the stage.
Really?
So it is always that goosebumps are always healthy, I suppose. That they should happen because that will give an edge to your performance.
Fantastic. But being a doctor, of course, बहुत पढ़ाई होती है. मतलब, it's not easy to become a doctor. You have to give a lot of time and commitment. But along with that, becoming good in other fields, it's not easy. Like, कैसे आपने manage किया उसको?
Actually, frankly, Rashmi ji, when I was pursuing my medicine, like after 10th grade in India, it happens that way that 10th ke baad you have to start selecting the things.
Okay.
And 12th ke baad you are directly into, there is no pre-college or pre-course, anything ऐसा कुछ है नहीं इधर. So we have to directly are entering into the professional course.
Correct.
So of course medicine was by choice, it was never by force.
Okay.
तो एक ही चीज थी कि पहले उसको अच्छी तरह से खत्म कर ले, giving it full dedication and honesty. And then of course music was always there. And definitely it is going to be with me. तो उसको brush up करके to enter was definitely a task, but it was a task which was conceived priorly.
Okay.
So बीच में वो manage करना थोड़ा on and off रहता है, but then there is I always say that in the brain there is a switch called switch it on and switch it off.
Of course.
So you utilize that section and I'm sure that you can switch on the roles in your life.
So you always love music, right? That's what I feel talking to you. कि आप जब enjoy कर रहे हैं stage पे, I see you just अपने में ही आप मतलब मस्त हैं. Very nice. So किस तरह के गाने जब आप when you were young, कैसे गाने गाना पसंद करते थे आप? Like of course you are singing all different genres, but कैसे आपका favorite कौन सा था?
So Rashmi ji, basically ऐसा था कि I am since I have said it before also that I am born in a family which had a legacy of Gujarati light music basically. जिसको हम गुजराती सुगम संगीत बोलते हैं, जैसे मराठी में भावगीत होता है वैसे गुजराती में it's like सुगम संगीत. So that is a typical poetry based melodies which we learn, we sing and we have that lineage for that. So बचपन में तो majority I used to sing such kind of songs and numbers. Of course there were Bollywood, तो क्या है कि every Indian is partly a Bollywood person. So one has to sing Bollywood this way or that way. So that always came in the. पर मुझे याद था कि यमन में बहुत अच्छा गाना था जब मैं I used to sing जब दीप जले आना.
तो गा के सुनाइए ना हमारे व्यूअर्स को. अब आप आए हैं तो आज हमारे व्यूअर्स का कुछ एंटरटेनमेंट भी हो जाए.
Absolutely. जब दीप जले आना जब शाम ढले आना, जब दीप जले आना, जब शाम ढले आना,
Very nice.
संकेत मिलन का, भूल न जाना मेरा प्यार ना बिसराना, something like this.
क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छे हैं। तो
Thank
बिल्कुल
you,
आपके आवाज में ही गुम गई थी। ब्यूटीफुल, ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस,
thank you,
वेरी
thank you,
नाइस, वेरी
thank you,
नाइस।
thank you, Rashmi.
और सब बहुत
Thank you.
अच्छा कि आप जो इस फील्ड में आगे आ गए और आपने अपने टैलेंट को छुपा के अपने घर तक सीमित नहीं रखा और दुनिया में पहुंचाया है। ऑफ कोर्स, एंड आई नो दैट
Right,
आप डॉक्टर, तो ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव अ वंडरफुल हार्ट, यू ऑलवेज वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर पीपल एंड यू आर अ गिवर, ऑफ कोर्स,
absolutely.
यस।
Thank you, Rashmi ji. Thank you.
सो आप मूवी में भी हैं, तो हाउ डिड यू गेट अ अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ अ मूवी?
Rashmi ji, actually ऐसा हुआ that of course once I finished my medicine, I started singing on the stage. Then definitely I always believe that every art is one or the other form of expression. So संगीत के द्वारा हम अपनी आवाज की expression डालते हैं. But I always was interested definitely in the on-screen appearances. उसके लिए I did couple of ads, couple of episodic soaps and a few of the music videos and stuff in that order.
Okay.
But I never knew that I would initiate with a feature film. Suddenly, ऐसा हुआ, माहौल ऐसा बन गया that regional industry grew very strong. May it be like Punjabi, Marathi, Gujarati. So all the regional industries grew stronger and stronger.
Yeah.
So उसमें I think 2015 it was, and I got a call from Shaina and Sheetal. They were the directors of the film, my first
Okay.
film, Hudu
Okay.
Dudu. और one of my friends referred, वो एक पंजाबी था, तो उसको उन्होंने बोला कि तुम ये रोल करो. उसने बोला यार मैं नहीं कर सकता, मैं because I'm not fluent with Gujarati, but I have a very good friend who is perfect for this role, and he suggested me.
Okay.
So I went there, और उस वक्त I used to sing. I mean, इधर उधर लोग को पता था कि I was much more into singing. But then I gave auditions and मैं तो भूल गया कि ऐसे तो कैसे फीचर फिल्म तो क्या होगा मतलब. और 2 महीने बाद they called up and my character's name was Uday.
Okay.
And they said that Parth, you are our Uday. And I said that, hello, what? What are you saying? Okay. Welcome to the world. So that was how
Wow.
I did enter.
So how was your experience when you faced the camera for the first time?
Actually, the experience was a little challenging because पहले मैंने किया हुआ था. So as far as the film was concerned, it was I was little accustomed to a lot of things, and also we did couple of workshops and reading होता है, तो mentally you are prepared. But definitely that craft is such that you discover every time something new. आप कभी भी like हर एक मूवी में मुझे कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा सीखने को मिला है that I keep on implementing in my next film. So I still consider these are all my these are the lovely gifts of learning opportunity which I'm getting through various films and various characters. So first time face करने में definitely there were a lot of questions, but then of course relaxation techniques and breathing techniques can bring you back to your own characters.
Wow.
That is
That
yeah.
fantastic. So when you were young, so singing में भी एक कोई ना कोई तो favorite singer होता ही है जिसके गाने सुन के आप inspire होते हैं, like you used to listen to their songs and used to feel that हाँ ऐसे गाने गाने चाहिए मुझे, और I like these type of songs. So which was your favorite singer, और उनके कुछ लाइनें सुनना चाहेंगे हम आपसे.
Sure. वैसे मेरे favorite singer मेरे घर पे ही है because I used to follow my dad a lot.
Okay.
Because he was the one जिनको मैं I've grown up seeing him performing and singing. So that was my first wish. And of course Bollywood में बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे Sonu Nigam ji at that particular point of time, like they had a huge fan following.
Yeah.
And a very good singer basically.
Yeah.
The genuine singers के जो list है उसमें से उनका काफी there's a very strong thing. Hari Aran ji, he was one of my favorite.
It's very
So
nice, yeah.
I'll definitely sing 2 lines of that.
जरूर.
इन सांसों का देखो तुम पागलपन, ये आए नहीं इन्हें चैन, मुझसे ये बोली मैं राहों में तेरी, आके बिछा दूं इन्हें, इन ऊंचे पहाड़ों से जा दे दूंगा मैं, अगर तुम ना आई कहीं, तुम इधर जान उम्मीद मेरी जो तोड़ो, इधर ये जहां छोड़ू मैं, मौत आ जिंदगी तेरे हाथों में दे दिया रे, तू ही रे, तू ही रे, तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं,
क्या बात.
आजा रे, इन सांसों में बस जा, something like this.
गाना
For that.
बंद ना कर तू, ऐसा बोलना चाहिए मुझे पार्थ. Fantastic,
Thank you,
fantastic.
Rashmi.
क्या आवाज है आपकी. Just touches your soul. Beautiful voice. Very nice.
Thank you, Rashmi.
बहुत
Thank
अच्छा
you.
लगा आपकी आवाज सुन के पार्थ. Very nice. And you're super talented, I'll say. You're really,
Thank you. Just working
भगवान
hard.
की बहुत दया है आप पे. You're really amazing. तो अब
Thank you,
जैसे
Rashmi.
आपका I have seen आपको गरबे में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. So why ऑफ कोर्स यू आर गुजराती तो ऑफ कोर्स गरबे का है, लेकिन आपने उसको बहुत आगे तक बढ़ाया है. लाइक एंड यू हैव लाइक आपको तो प्रिंस ऑफ गरबा कहते हैं, तो उसके बारे में भी
Right.
जानना चाहूंगी कि व्हाई स्पेसिफिक दैट. मतलब आजकल की यंग जनरेशन यू नो दे गो फॉर हिप हॉप बॉलीवुड एंड ऑल, बट आई सी
Yeah.
दैट यू आर सो मच इन लव विद फोक म्यूजिक. या.
Yes, Rashmi ji, actually ऐसा है कि my family had a trend, like it is a part of legacy that I'm singing Garba,
ओके.
because my grandmother used to, my father still does, and I do. So it is all in a succession that is happening. But the only thing which I love doing, why I love doing it, because I preferably, in fact, I usually perform purely traditional form of Garba.
Oh.
That is, whether it is 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, even Punjabi bhi agar gana hai, to bhi I'll sing that authentic Punjabi folk song and not the Bollywood song.
Wow.
So that is what I usually prefer, because it is too divine, and it is some form of energy which is transmitted between the dancers and the performers.
Yes.
So उसमें एक माहौल ऐसा बनता है, because it is more about devotion. माता जी की भक्ति है, कृष्ण भगवान के रास होते हैं. So we itself have a lot of content in that. So I enjoy doing it, and suddenly, like in a very frankly, because I do perform there every year, US में, तो मुझे हर वक्त ऐसा लगता है कि lot of young, because it is a form of dance, it is a form of like it's a therapy in itself, because you just let yourself out.
Yeah.
So irrespective of it's like bhangra, तो तुम मतलब whatever you do, you just dance, like nobody cares what's your grace और क्या कर रहे हो तुम, किसी को पता नहीं है. So I think because of that reason,
Yeah.
I can see lot of youngsters
Yeah.
coming into this event, because मुझे जान, because मेरे cousins वहाँ पे है, I very well know that they will not prefer going to a Bollywood concert or not prefer going to a Gujarati light music concert, but they will definitely come in Garba
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
because they want to dance. So I think मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है that whatever I am doing, that is good, and I'm also one of the ways, like a asymptomatic career, like in fact a symptomatic career of transmitting the legendary Garbas to the current generation. So
How
I think
nice.
that is what that is what I feel, that it should pass on to the coming generations.
ऑफ कोर्स. और आप जानते हैं पार्थ, यहाँ तो बहुत गुजरातीज हैं और गरबा सबका फेवरेट है, तो थोड़ा बहुत हमारे
Absolutely.
व्यूअर्स के लिए ये एक तरह से थेरेपी, जो आप जैसे कहते हैं म्यूजिक की थेरेपी है. तो आप आए हैं तो आपके जरिए उनके चेहरों पे मुस्कुराहट आई, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. एंड इट बी ग्रेट थिंग, यू नो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप तो खुशियां ही बांटते हैं, तो आज एक अच्छा सा गरबे का हमें सुना दीजिए थोड़ा।
Definitely. I'll sing a line, a couplet of two, three in a
श्योर
succession
श्योर
so that
श्योर,
everybody, wherever, whomsoever, wherever they are, they can at least clap and join.
प्लीज।
ए हे कृष्ण भगवान हल्या द्वारिकेने कृष्ण भगवान हल्या द्वारिकेने कायली दोर मणियारा के रोवेश के होवे होवे લીધો મણિયારા કે રોવેશ કે હું તો તને વારુલ્યા જીઓ મણિયારા કે હું તો તને વારુલ્યા જીઓ મણિયારા એવા વાયા ને વાદળ ઉમટ્યા વાયા ને વાદળ ઉમટ્યા હે ગોકુળમાં ટૂક્યા મોર મળવા આવો સુંદર વર્ષામૈયા हे कोई तन कान कहे कोई तन श्याम कहे कोई कहे बंसीधर कृष्ण कन्हैयो हे जी राधा नो कान जी मीरा नो गिरिधर गोवाळो संगे तू रास रमैयो हे तारा बिना कुंज गली सुनी सुनी लागे अरे क्या रे आविश मोरारी कहे राधे प्यारी मैं बलिहारी गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे जिर गोकुल आवो गिरधारी रे जिर गोकुल आवो गिरधारी
क्या बात है पार्थ, awesome, superb, superb,
Thank
मजा ही आ
you.
गया, fantastic, fantastic. We
Thank
also
you.
go to
Thank
Garba and it's so much fun and you have such a lovely voice and I wish कि आप USA आएं और we should enjoy Garba with you और of course Dr.
Absolutely.
Parth will
And
be here.
whensoever I'll be coming, we'll be doing Garba together. That's a
Of
promise.
course, पक्का done,
The entire team.
पक्का. And what are your upcoming projects, Parth?
Yes, Rashmi. So my upcoming projects, of course, as far as music is concerned, though we are all sitting at home and doing a lot of different things. But I have just finished a film called Rangjo Lagyo. That was in Feb end. It's again a Gujarati romantic feature film,
Very nice.
and that is what is a ready product, and we are waiting for this entire thing to get a little accustomed at how they are going to release it. But that's the film, which is feature film, which is coming. So, and of course, it has got songs in it. So, उसका वो पैकेज साथ में है. And definitely a lot of music videos I've been planning. अभी प्लान तो बाहर का था, तामझाम वाला था. अभी अंदर आके शिफ्ट करके घर पे कैसे कर सकते हैं? That is what the brainstorming is
Of course,
going on.
of
So,
course.
yeah,
नहीं, it
things are
was great having you on our show, Parth, और आपसे बात करके बहुत मजा आया. And I see that डॉक्टर्स के चेहरों पे मुस्कान कम होती है, but you are a doctor with so much of peace and calm on your face is because of your music, and you are a very nice person. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, Parth. It was great.
Thank you, Rashmi ji. Likewise, it was a great pleasure talking to you.
Same here, Parth. Thank you so much. Stay safe,
Thank
stay
you.
home. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
जय
Likewise,
श्री
bye.
कृष्ण.
Jai Shri Krishna. Bye.
मैं हूँ रश्मि बेदी. हमें उम्मीद है ये शो आपको पसंद आया होगा. लेटेस्ट वीडियो के लिए देखते रहिए माई ड्रीम टीवी USA और पसंद आने पर लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई ड्रीम टीवी USA.